If your hair keeps breaking, your ponytail fell thinning, or your hair shed every wash day, stop scrolling, because this ancient African hair secret will completely change your hair. This is Chebe powder, one of the Africa best kept secrets for thicker, longer hair. And when I mix it together with coffee, my hair felt stronger, softer, fuller, and I noticed way less shedding. Today, I will show you the exactly recipe, how I apply it without messing up and to get best results, and the steaming method that made this mask work even better for fussy hair. And trust me, if your hair break easily, you need to try this. And make sure you watch this video to the end, because I will show you the secrets that stop Chebe from feeling dry or difficult to wash out. A lot of people think their hair is not growing, but the real problem is breakage. Your hair grows, but the ends keep snapping off before you even see the length. So that is why Chebe becomes so popular, because it helps keep the hair moisturized, soft, and protect from breakage. So I just make use of 2 tablespoons of my Chebe powder. Our next ingredient is coffee. Coffee is amazing for the scalp because it contains caffeine. Caffeine helps stimulate the roots and wake up weak hair follicles. Together, this combination is incredible for hair shedding, breakage, dry natural hair, weak edges, and thinning hair. I use 2 tablespoons of my ground coffee. Then I bring my shea butter. This shea butter is very important to prevent dryness and also to increase moisture and more hydration to the hair. Okay, make sure you add shea butter. If you don't have raw shea butter, you can use mango butter, cocoa butter. Okay, but make sure you use butter to this. Okay, so I just use 1 tablespoon of my butter. I bring it to hot water to do double boiling method by melting the shea butter. Please do not use microwave to microwave your butter, so that you not kill the nutrients of this butter. Okay, this is honestly one of my best deep conditioner treatment for stronger, thicker, fussy hair. I'm not joking. This hair mask is all you need. Keep on watching to see the full step by step how to prepare it and how to apply to achieve that good result. So after melting my shea butter, I'll bring it back and pour it inside the mixture of the 2 ingredients. Then this the next ingredient to it is my conditioner. Now this is the step that change everything. Most people complain that Chebe felt dry on their hair, but here is my secret. I added some little amount of my deep conditioner to it and also my melted shea butter. This is the secret. This method will make you enjoy applying your Chebe powder to your hair. You will never feel dryness or felt frustrated while raising it out of your hair. Adding this deep conditioner to it and melted shea butter will keep your hair so moisturized, avoid dryness, and also it will be very easy for you to rinse it out on your hair. This part is the real game changer for you. With this method, you will never ever get tired or feel frustrated or complain to use your Chebe powder as your hair mask again. You will love it so much because it will help to thicken your hair, grow your hair, help you to retain length. Chebe powder is very effective, but the reason why many people are not using it because of the dryness and the difficult of raising it out. But with this method, no more struggle of raising it out, and also no more hair dryness after using Chebe on your hair. So you can also go ahead and add your castor oil to it, or your rosemary essential oil to it, anyone you choose to use, or cacao oil to it. Any of this oil, you are free to go. So do you see how creamy texture this hair mask is? This is what you need to grow your hair faster, to retain that length, thicken up your hair and see best results with your hair. So now I will show you the most important part, how to apply this, so that you will not regret using this mask on your hair. So first thing you must do is to work in section your hair carefully. This part is very important. Do not apply this randomly. Make sure you section your hair, okay? It's very important. And secondly, do not use this on a dirty hair. Make sure your hair is fresh wash hair, okay, so that you can achieve all the benefits that come with this hair mask. So the next thing, after sectioning your hair, do not apply this hair mask on a dry hair, okay? So I just finished washing my hair and my hair have felt dry. I washed my hair some hours ago, so now my hair is dry. So I need to dab my hair with water, and the water I'm using now is lukewarm water. I do not use normal room temperature water. I'm using lukewarm water so that it can help to open up my hair cuticles for my hair to absorb this hair mask properly. So after applying that water to that section of my hair, now I will go ahead and apply this on my hair. Now listen, apply this generously in the entire of your hair, but let your main focus should be on the ends of your hair, because that is where the most breakage happens, okay? The ends is very important with this hair mask, with this Chebe and Coffee hair mask. It will help to strengthen your ends to avoid breakage. Remember, if your ends are weak, you will not see length retention, but this Chebe powder will help you to fix that problem. So make sure you coat it very well on the ends of your hair, because when your ends is very strong, very healthy, it will be very difficult for your end to snap off. In that way, you retain a lot of length. You will no longer complain of stagnant growth. Any growth you achieve, you definitely retain it. That is the work of this our hair mask. So make sure you apply it generously on the ends of your hair to prevent that breakage and that stagnant length retention, okay? So once you apply this hair mask on your roots to the tip of your hair, make sure you coat it every single strand of your hair. Is very important. And also work it in properly. If your hair is in protective hairstyle like this braid, work it in very well, okay, so that it can penetrate inside your braid, okay? If your edges are thinning, do not skip to apply this hair mask in that your hairlines, okay? It will help to thicken it up and strengthen that your edges, okay? I'm not even joking. This hair mask works like magic, guys. You will never regret trying this hair mask. So under your tiny edges, apply it. That your hair nipple problem areas, please apply it, okay? Just apply this hair mask all the entire of your hair. You will never ever regret it. Make sure you coat it properly, whether your hair is in protective hairstyle or not protective hairstyle. So far that you have a protective hairstyle, that you have access to your hair and also access to the full of your hair strands. This hair mask work both on the last hair and natural hair, whether 4C hair, 4B hair, 4D hair. This hair mask work for all hair types, okay? Just use this hair mask and you will never ever regret it. After applying this hair mask all the entire of my hair, now here is the game changer step. The steaming method. The steaming method matters a whole lot. Yes. So what you need to do for you to get that good result with this hair mask, so that this hair mask can penetrate inside your hair cuticles to promote that good result, so that you can get faster result with this Chebe hair mask, is to use a heat cap or wrap a warming towel around your hair for just 1 hour or 30 minutes is an okay. After 30 minutes, just go ahead and rinse it out. The steaming cap help this mask to penetrate deeper into the hair strands and leaving your hair softer, stronger and easy to tangle. So if you want to use this to tangle your hair, you can also use it, okay? But I will not really advise you to use it to detangle your hair, okay? So the steaming cap help a whole lot for you to achieve that good result after using this hair mask. So after rinsing it out of my hair felt incredible soft, thicker, moisturized, and much easy to manage. I'm not capping. This hair mask is very powerful when you use it the right way, okay? But make sure you follow all the full step I just share with you guys now, okay? So if you use this hair mask consistent, you start noticing less breakage, less shedding, fuller hair, and stronger ends, okay? Meaning you will gain a lot of length retention, okay? This work like magic. I'm not even capping. This is why I keep using this ancient African hair secret mask, because I have gotten a lot of results with it, okay? And the best part, you only need to do this once or twice in a month. You don't need to do this consistent. Once or twice in a month, you are good to go, okay? So guys, if you want more powerful natural hair growth secrets, make sure you subscribe right now, okay? Because I am posting more viral 4C hair treatment very soon that will really help you to save your hair and grow a lot of hair faster, okay? And also, once you subscribe, do not skip to turn on your bell notification so that you always notify whenever I drop amazing video. And also, please do well to like this video and also share this video to your family and friends. So guys, comment thick hair if you want my stronger Chebe hair growth routine, okay? So guys, I hope you find this video very helpful. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you all in my next video or in the comment section below. Remain blessed out there. Bye.